Hey, so just to give you an overview of the last class, what we started with was multicast, and we were going with the first palette of the multicast, that is parallel multicast. What we saw was, uh, unlike routive, parallel multicast sends the data indiscriminately to all the branches, right? So whatever data, whatever payload is present just before the parallel multicast, it's get distributed equally in all the branches. And whatever is supposed to happen in one branch, it's completely independent of the other branch. It doesn't matter if the first one fails, the second will get executed, the third will get executed. The reason when we were seeing that there was some dependence, it was not because of the multicast, but because of the splitter. Because the splitter failed, and we have asked the splitter to stop once there is any failure. So it was not the parallel multicast, which was again, it was the splitter which was not like ping any further data, and that's where you were not able to see the other messages. But when you use the option which said stop on exception, then you uncheck this option, then you realize that even when, let's say, the last branch failed due to some reasons, the other branches were still able to process all the data, even when the third branch was failing, while in the other branch was failing the reason being again, because parallel multicast is completely independent of the other branches, right? Any questions which you found out during the weekend for your sessions, or you heard anything in your mind? So, for example, Shang, like for example, there is no splitter. Okay. For example, though, Peter, okay, no splitter, and there is no checkbox, stop checkbox, etc. Uncheck the stop checkbox. But actually, believe we have given, we maintain the invalid SFTP definitions, for example. Hmm. In this case, the IFlow will be successfully processed, and it will be in the configured state. But the third nodal not breaks with effect. IFlow would be in completed state, but not your message. Okay, message will be in error state. Message will be in error state. Otherwise, how will you know that the third branch didn't get executed? But after you removing the checkbox and route, I think it's processing, right? Processing. I go Disney words. Let's do one more test. I'll tell you how this works. Okay. So let's create another high flow, and that would be for sequential multicast, but we'll test this thing is still there. And this time, let's remove the snitter. Okay, I'm going to say like I flowly in error, but the first group not being makes figured, and all the files will be delivered to the SFTP and the respective folders. Copy. I think the instance you are talking about that you saw successfully because why I deployed the version which was having the right details. You know, with the Jaeger, it could have like computer at the end because yeah, there was nothing sweeper in that time, but it was correct. Yeah, I right coding club there earlier, but do you want me to repeat the scenario or shall I continue with sequential multicast? This takes to this on the parallel era, and then one pick out the without the spin knowledge restrictions. No, keep this figure. Okay, so I